Good morning. Today we are looking at a DI1125 mortise mount vertical deadbolt. The deadbolt is considered a mortise because this particular piece insets into the wood and you have a direct line of sight to the wood for the screws. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it together incorrectly so you can see how to fix it. This is a key actuator. The only thing this key does is check for operation. That's it. It will not check for function. Function is key retaining or non-key retaining. Key retaining being the key can only come out in one position, locked. Non-key retaining means the key can come out in two positions, locked or unlocked. Most jewelry, cosmetic counters, things like that are all key retaining. You take this, fits right in there, operates fine. We take the core, we put the core key in. Once the core key is in, there's a brass bar right here. Turn the key, very little. It pulls that bar back. Mount it into the lock, turn it back, and pull the key out. If the cord does not come with it, it's seated. Now we're going to check for function. Won't turn. No matter which key. Oh, well, it turns. Key won't come out. Key only comes out in the unlocked position. In order to fix this, remove the core. Take your actuator key, extend the bolt. Very important to note with this, when you're using an actuator key, the plastic piece can be over travel. What happens when that happens is you can see that there's a little bit of play right there. The play is there for a specific reason. But if you go past it and you try to crank it, what's going to happen is you're going to break or bend one of those two bars on the inside, which will render the lock useless. Take the core, lock the core in place. Take the key. Can't get the key out. Key comes out in the locked position only. You also want to look at the keyway. The keyway from the top of the lock is always closest to the floor. If it is not, the wrong lock is being used for that application. Thank you. If you have any issues you would like to have somebody walk you through it, feel free to call area code 631-238-7035. That's Delta's corporate office. We'll be more than happy to walk you through it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.